Okay guys, today we're gonna try solo eggs, crayfish taste, snail rice noodles. In this package you can find the rice noodles, the crayfish flavor, the snail soup. This is pickled radish bag. This is bamboo shoots bag, and this one is just ear bag. I have to check what is this, and actually it's like a fungus and the shape is like a ear. And we have chili oil, and finally we have fried peanuts and yuba bag. Well, according to the instructions, now we have to cook the rice noodles for 10 to 15 minutes. So I put it just with hot water and let's put it for boiling. In the meantime, I'm gonna open all of these packages. Now we have here the fried peanuts, here the radish, and here the Jewish ear. I look online and people recommend not to put the bamboo shoots because they say that the smell, if you are not used to that, is not gonna be good. So I'm not gonna put it with the other ingredients. I'm gonna wait and try with a little bit. If I like it, I'll put it all. If not, it's fine then. Okay, now our noodles are done. We are gonna drain the water and put the noodles in a bowl. Here are the noodles, and now we are gonna do the soup. Now we just need to put water, and you need to add the snail soup, the crayfish, and the chili oil. The chili oil have some instructions here. If you want it mild, just put a little bit, medium, or if you want it hot, you put all the bag. Now our water is boiling. I'm gonna add the snail soup. Now I'm gonna add the crayfish soup, all of them, all of that, and now I just add the noodles. You have to cook this like for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we are gonna add these ingredients to the soup, and finally I'm gonna add the chili oil. I'm gonna add just half and see if it's too spicy. This is the soup. Now we are gonna try it and let you know how is it. Okay, tell me, what do you think?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah, it's spicy.
Too spicy? I just put half.
You'll need to try it, but it's spicy enough.
And do you want to try it with the bamboo shoots?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Let's see. Oh yes, it's spicy. I didn't put more than half. It was half. But it's really spicy. Oh my god.
Do you try the noodles?
No, I'm about to.
Yeah, with the noodles it's good. Just the noodles.
Yes, it's good. Okay, from 1 to 5, what do you think?
I would give it a 5.
Five?
Even though it's spicy, it does have a really good taste.
Oh my god, I will give it 4. Yeah, well, the spicy, you can manage that with the chili oil. Maybe I put too much, but yeah, it's good. Okay, finally we didn't try it with the bamboo shoots. So guys, if you try it with the bamboo shoots, let me know if it's good or not.